Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to connect SQL Server with Visual Studio 2022. First of all, start SQL Server Management Studio, and this is the server name, login and authentication. Now expand the database and create a new database. Name the database name is FastDB. Okay, the database is created. Now I'm going to create table. There is no table right now, so column name id, data type is integer, and identity specification yes, it's auto incremental. Now primary key id is primary key, then name is Anbarkar 50, address Anbarkar 150. Okay, my table is created. Now name the table name is test tab. Okay, the table is created. Now I'm gonna insert some records in the table. Okay, now id is auto incremental, name Christina, address USA, and Rani, address India, and then Putin, address Russia. Okay, now start Visual Studio 2022 and click on create new project, Windows Form F, and then select Windows Form F, then click on next. Name the project name is Fast Windows Form Application. Select the directory is D, select folder E drive, then click on next. Create. It's creating, please wait. Yes, it's created successfully. Fast Windows F, you can see in the E drive. Okay, now design the form with button control and data grid view control. This is the button control. The text is load data. I will write code to load data from SQL Server database to grid view. Okay, now size is 14. Add a data grid view control. Okay, the data grid view control is added. Now go to the button click event. Yes, now SQL connection con equal to new SQL connection. We should add namespace. So install package, find and install latest version. Yes, it's installed using system.data.sql client. Now go to the server explorer and add connection. Select the server and then select the authentication for the username and password. Save my password and then select the database. Okay. Expand the server. Yes, this is the table property. This is the connection string. Copy the connection string and paste it in the SQL connection. Okay, it's done. Now SQL command cmd equal to new SQL command. Write the command is to load data from SQL Server database to data grid view. Select star from test tab. This is the table name and initialize the connection string. Now SQL data adapter sd equal to new SQL data adapter cmd. Then declare data table dt equal to new data table. Then sd.fill dt. Finally data grid view on dot data source equal to dt. Okay, now it's done. Execute. Oh, keyword not supported. Trusted server certificate. Remove the trusted server certificate from the connection string and then put SQL Server authentication password. Okay, now it's done. Debug. Yes, click on load data. Yes, data is loaded successfully. Hope you understand it well. Thanks for watching this tutorial.